Good afternoon, everybody. From Jayashree, from SNS College of Technology. We are going to discuss about this fetal heart rate monitoring system. So why we chose this topic is what many women last their life during pregnancy. So it is very much important to measure the fetal heart rate monitoring system with the well-being of the fetus. So continuous monitoring of the fetus to detect the abnormalities of the child, and also probably it can also prevent the complications during labor. So we have developed this cost-effective non-invasive Doppler effect, so which prevents the fetal, which continuously monitors the fetal monitoring system with low resources and waste. Let us discuss this in detail.
I am Vishal. Conventional fetal monitors are often expensive and not portable, making it inaccessible in rural areas. So our main objective is to create an inexpensive, simple, reliable fetal movement monitor using Doppler Ultrasound effect.
1.
Hello everyone, I am Avinash. I am going to say about the principle of operation. There are 4 main principles of operation in this project. One is sending the sound waves, another one is bouncing back, next is changing sound waves, and then calculating the heart rate. The sending sound. Hello everyone, I am Avinash. I am going to say the principle of this project. There are 4 main principles. One is sending the sound wave, another one is bouncing back of the baby, bouncing back, next is changing sound, another one is the calculating the heart rate of the baby. One is sending sound waves means in the fetus the baby will move, baby having the heart rate will be sensed by the sensor and it will convert it as a sound wave. Another one is bouncing back. That's baby's vibration is calculated and sending to the devices, and then the change in sound. Whether the higher heart rate are cancelled, only the lower frequency rate will be allowed to pass into the sound, and then the calculating the heart rate.
1.
I am Susan. Now I am going to talk about the system components. First one is ultrasound transducer. It acts as a both transmit and a receiver function. Next one is amplifier. It used for a op-amp to gain and amplify the weak and low fetal movement. Next one is
1.
bandpass filter. It removes the low frequency and interference in the high frequency. Fourth one is microcontroller. It used for audiometer to check the heartbeat and converts and calculate the beat per minute. Next is display unit. The 16 into 2 display unit used in the function. It calculates the real monitor. It calculates the real value. Last one is power supply. It used for 5-volt power supply.
So I am Navashri. As Emma said, we get the signals from the components. It is in a bits. So it is in a zeros and one. The peak values are taken as a 1 and low values taken as a 0. So these bits are calculated based on the zero crossing and peak reduction method. This peak also collectively taken as a sampling frequency. This frequency is sent to the analog circuit, which is then sent to the filters and amplifier to signal processing method.
Hello, I am Krishna. I am extend fetal heart rate monitoring using Doppler Ultrasound. Extend some advantages. When it comes to biometric machines or equipments, the main thing is the cost of the product. So we can say the low cost is advantage for the fetal heart rate of the ultrasound, and also it is portable. When it comes to the portability, everyone needs to be a machine has to be portable. That's very easy to carry. And also the safety, when it comes to fetal, it is very necessary to have safety and precautions. When it comes to fetal heart rate monitoring, it has very high safety and also real-time monitoring. And also the non-invasive machine, so we can have advantage to the greatest level of this equipment to get the correct values and correct measurements according to the fetal heart rate Doppler ultrasound machine. Okay, thank you. And the conclusion has been given by Purnashree.
And Purnashree, as I said, the device has to detect the heart rate of the fetus between 100 to 160 beats per minute. And the device has to work continuously for several hours when it is on battery. And it has to, the device has to
like to add some future works that we are doing in our college as a project.
One.
And I would like some points about the future work that we are doing as a project in our college. In that we are doing about the Bluetooth alert system which can detect the baby's heart rate and which can use the message as notifications or ringtones to the mothers to sense about their baby's well-being or not active at that moment. And then if the baby heart rate is not identified through the sensors, means it will give us the alert system, and according to the heart rate we can prescribe the doctor, and we can able to describe the baby's movement in the particular time. In this particular time the baby's movement is active, and this particular time the baby's movement is not active, like that we decide, and we will reduce the fetal deaths according to this project. Thank you.